Hey you guys, I'm back with another wig review. It's a synthetic, you already know, don't even ask. This is Mayde Beauty Seal Glueless Lace Frontal Wig. Style, Delano. Color, GFFPENNY. So as we all know, I don't do bald caps. And let's get started. I like to do a widow's peak, so I plucked it a little bit. I'm not the best plucker in the world, like, I'm gonna be so real with y'all. Yeah, I did a little plucking here and there. This is the lace without it being tinted. You can see my bald cap right there, but we're gonna fix all of that, all right? Okay, so I did the fitting and everything. I always struggle with this, the sides. So let's see, I'm gonna cut a little bit more off. I just cut right down to the hair because it's a little easier. Obviously leave a little bit so that you can actually glue it down, but I kind of just use the hair to glue down. So now I am going to take, I'm gonna take some to be and just kind of treat it as it's, treat it like it's glue. I'm gonna treat it like it's glue. So, and then I go in with this Tresemme hairspray. I have like 3 different hairsprays because you know that ADHD, you know how we do. I messed up. But I'm so mad. I messed up the widow's peak. I can't lie, I'm a little upset with the hairline, but I have to go, so we don't have time. I wonder if I can do this baby hair. I don't know. I always struggle. I don't know. I guess, should I just... I'm actually not gonna do baby hairs. I'm just gonna leave it just like this. Give it some shape, because like it's literally straight across. I didn't even mean to cut it like that. I'm so mad at myself. Like, girl, this is not what we talked about.